Thank you. So committee panel tum that awareness program tengpon no. Labang so awareness program bela hello je ADP guidelines Asian Development Bank pen. Ala funding agency pen a bank pen a guidelines tengpon tangte. Rada tumphan consultancy pamenai. Rada tumphan labang so project puthak A to Z upima akim me enolam han pameni labang so puthake kedamtang pon ke han pon. Than pon pere da joksi ili tumpini labang so pan awareness ili tum tengpon lo. Nasipini labang so a program long dame nangacha tongdun nili hindo panap dole alang libangke Southeast Asia member activist alo la penili tumlong land rights joint struggle committee Bianglong solar power project affected people's rights committee pen so committee penili tum that awareness program tengpon lo labang so awareness program bela henlo je ADP guidelines Asian Development Bank pen ala funding agency pen a bank pen a guidelines ateng plotangte rada tumphan consultancy pi pamenai rada tumphan labang so project aputhak A to Z upima akim me akenolam than pameni labang so puthake kedamtang por ke than pon pede la than pon pede da joksi ili tumpini labang so phan awareness ili tum deng pon lo la sipini labang so a program long dame nangacha tongdun nili hindo Pranab Dole alang libangke Southeast Asia member activist alo la penili tumlong land rights joint struggle committee Subroto alang li do ili tumlong alang li tamil tumhan ithithini lamang thanunji asif pini ke do bangke la henlo je rong inko era ke thomarat to that affected lo la solar project aputhak 18,000 bighas along le la so along le ahem phutum sai se lo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen ADB fan report below je 92.5% along lake wasted land unproductive land kasuli le along lake pukepu lake falsely puiti sini adlo athema rat tum sidak long lake dak si dobom thak bom busi tum thek long lo dak si check herin akiti claim bom la pen ka duk ko weta mel tum dak rural economy fundamental le tum dak chu claim bom si tum thek long la so long pen only 5.8% along lesi la dakke ke do ke tha tum chirai chot tu bangke chokchi usinil tum rap pan pini pachini tunang lasi non ke bang jilang por tame dak la bangso rat tum long le pek thek the pulo lasi la bangso kachesong intang kring pen non ke bang intang lang tame deng ponji usinil tum pini chini pon lo la lo lasi non amar majot ase Pranab Dole he will also speak something about that to this gathering.
So, thank you, Press Fraternity of Karbi Anglong, for coming and representing the voices of the people of this area. And I, as a representative of the South Asian Just Transition Alliance, an alliance of all the South Asian countries who are fighting for the justice of people who are affected by projects like this, and also as a part of the Land Struggle Committee of Assam, and indigenous rights activist, I am appalled by the sheer injustice that this project is going to bestow upon the people of Karbi Anglong and the people of Assam. So the whole project is based on lies, and which is a travesty of justice, and it's going to be one of the biggest betrayal in the history of Assam, of indigenous people, where more than 23 villages are affected directly, where people are completely going to lose out on everything. The environment here is going to be destroyed completely, but the reports that the government, the Karbi Autonomous Council and the Assam government has submitted for taking this loan from Asian Development Bank. And it's a loan, it's not a free money, it's a loan that is put on the heads of our children, which is going to destroy our future. And the amount of lies that they have concocted in putting up this report is appalling. They have lied on every step. They are saying that no indigenous people will be affected. There's no impact on the environment. People have consented on their own free will. So here I would like to request and demand ADB to take cognizance of this whole project. The free prior informed consent, which is a basic mandatory criteria for Asian Development Bank to give any kind of loan for such project, has utterly been violated to the core. The environment impact assessment has not been done here. Intanki, Deupani, Gorampani, Kaziranga, all these wildlife sanctuaries are a stone's throw away from these places. There are land which is completely been cultivated for hundreds of years by the villagers here, which the reports given to the submitted to the Asian Development Bank is showing us wasteland where people do not waste it. So we are against this, and people have come together. They have not done any kind of awareness campaign here. Everything has been based on lies, and these are that's why the people here today has taken a pledge to democratically oppose this project, and we demand Asian Development Bank to immediately take complete cognizance of our complaints and have a democratic process where Indian government should not base their idea of just transition on lies, but on truth that protects indigenous communities who are thrown to very dangerous situation today in India and all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And our majada Subrata ase.
কমিটিৰ ফালৰ পৰা আৰু গোটেই অসমতে আমি এই মাটি যেটো অধিগ্ৰহণৰ বিৰুদ্ধে আমাৰ ফাইট চলি আছে, আৰু আমি আজি কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ এই মানুহক আমি এটো জনাবলৈ আহিছিলো যে এই যেটো মাটিৰ সংগ্ৰাম তেওঁলোকে কৰি আছে তাত তেওঁলোক অকলশৰীয়া নহয়। আমি ল্যান্ড লাইটস জয়েন্ট ষ্ট্ৰাগল কমিটিৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি তেওঁলোকক সম্পূৰ্ণ সমৰ্থন আগবঢ়াম এই ষ্ট্ৰাগলত, আৰু এই গোটেই বিষয়বস্তুটো গোটেই অসম জুৰি নিয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি এটা মানে পাব্লিক অপিনিয়ন কাৰ্যসূচী আমি এটা হাতত ল'ম। আৰু আজি আপোনালোকে দেখিছে যে আদানীৰ হাতৰ পৰা বা ৰামদেৱৰ নিচিনা ব্যৱসায় আহি পেলাই মাটিবিলাক অধিগ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছে, আৰু তাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে মানুহে ফাইট কৰিছে, জিকিছে, আৰু আমি ভাবো কাৰ্বি আংলঙতো মানুহে ফাইট কৰিব আৰু জিকিব, আৰু আজি এই বৈঠকখনে ইয়াৰ প্ৰমাণ কৰে। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you can do.
If I can say, the best.
Acha, Fransi ke lahen lo, ili tum lata solar project jong si develop lo tangte, ka effect je bangke 18,000 bighas. He dung along le ke lake ili tum Karbi Anglong pen ke lake dam chui po. On top of that la wrong
কমিটিৰ ফালৰ পৰা আৰু গোটেই অসমতে আমি এই মাটি যেটো অধিগ্ৰহণৰ বিৰুদ্ধে আমাৰ ফাইট চলি আছে, আৰু আমি আজি কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ এই মানুহক আমি এটো জনাবলৈ আহিছিলো যে এই যেটো মাটিৰ সংগ্ৰাম তেওঁলোকে কৰি আছে তাত তেওঁলোক অকলশৰীয়া নহয়। আমি ল্যান্ড লাইটস জয়েন্ট ষ্ট্ৰাগল কমিটিৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি তেওঁলোকক সম্পূৰ্ণ সমৰ্থন আগবঢ়াম এই ষ্ট্ৰাগলত, আৰু এই গোটেই বিষয়বস্তুটো গোটেই অসম জুৰি নিয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি এটা মানে পাব্লিক অপিনিয়ন কাৰ্যসূচী আমি এটা হাতত ল'ম। আৰু আজি আপোনালোকে দেখিছে যে আদানীৰ হাতৰ পৰা বা ৰামদেৱৰ নিচিনা ব্যৱসায় আহি পেলাই মাটিবিলাক অধিগ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছে, আৰু তাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে মানুহে ফাইট কৰিছে, জিকিছে, আৰু আমি ভাবো কাৰ্বি আংলঙতো মানুহে ফাইট কৰিব আৰু জিকিব, আৰু আজি এই বৈঠকখনে ইয়াৰ প্ৰমাণ কৰে। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you.